Here I am at Playland Amusement Park on this Monday afternoon, March 7th, 2022. And the time right now is 3:45 p.m. Okay, look at that debris there. There's a horsey there. The carpenters are doing some kind of work. Oh, I see. The Dragon Coaster needed some new wood. Okay, that's what it is. Yep. Yes, you can see that over there. Let's zoom in. Okay, wood structure. Decayed wood. They had to, install some new wood. Some new beams. That's understandable. This is very old, this Dragon Coaster. You know that? Okay. Yep, all the way up to the top. Let's zoom in again. See those planks? That's for the men to walk around, the workers. Yep. Okay. And there's the track. Some new wood underneath also. Okay, very good. So, that completes the video.